Hey kids, I'm just checking out my bag. I have a banana here and a coconut here from the local market. I got it from the local market. I plan to cook myself a meal. So I have a banana here from the local market, and I got some kind of funny looking beans. Which I decided to put on into my meal as well, and ginger, cabbage, brown rice, and my cock-a-doodle-doo chicken. So I'm gonna cook myself a meal, and while preparing my meal, let's cross over to Shemaiah in the United States of America. She's from Papua New Guinea, and she'll be showing us how to bake something special. So if you think you can do it after watching the video, hey kids, tell your parents, let's go grab some ingredients and bake something at home. Now, Brainy-x, all the way from Papua New Guinea to the United States. While you're watching Shemaiah, may cooking kai will be pastel.
Welcome back to my channel, but before we get started, click subscribe and turn notifications. Give me a huge thumbs up. Today we're baking cookies. First, we mix it. Once it's all mixed, we get some sugar, we pour it in, and then we mix it, and then we're going to put vanilla extract. And then we're mixing it, and once it's mixed, we get flour, spread it all around, and then you mix it up, and then some more flour, and then you just keep mixing. Next we have to your hand to knead. Next, we're rolling it up. We cut us, and then we cut. We take it off. Make sure that cookies don't break, because we want them to be straight and good so everyone can eat it. Now we put them on the baking tray. So first I'm doing the heart, and then the hippo. And then I gotta do the star. It's very tricky, so be careful. The sprinkles. See? And then we go spread it, because it gets a little tricky sometimes. So, we put some more. Spreading it around. Cookies are ready to go in the oven. They gotta bake for 10 minutes. Cookies are ready. Wow! Just test it. So, Shemaiah!